Walk into a modern factory, and you might notice something missing: people. The roar of machinery remains, but the hands building our future are increasingly made of steel and silicon. This is the new industrial revolution. In this documentary, we explore the silent takeover, how robots work, the jobs they are claiming, and the uncertain future of human labor. Why are companies rushing to replace us? The drivers are clear: unparalleled speed, absolute precision, and the ability to work 24 hours a day, 365 days a year without a single break. From the sprawling gigafactories of the automotive industry to the lightning-fast sorting centers of global logistics, automation is not just an option, it is the new standard of survival. We see two distinct breeds of machines. First, the industrial robots. These are the titans, massive arms designed for heavy lifting, high-temperature welding, and toxic painting tasks dangerous for humans. Then, there are the cobots, collaborative robots. Equipped with advanced sensors, they are designed to work safely alongside humans, assisting rather than replacing, acting as a tireless partner. But the real game changer is AI. These robots aren't just following a script anymore. They are learning. They use machine learning to adapt to errors and improve their own efficiency in real time. This shift puts specific roles in the crosshairs. Assembly line workers, precision welders, painters, and warehouse staff are seeing their tasks automated at an unprecedented rate. Look at industry leaders like Tesla, Toyota, and BMW. Their production lines are becoming autonomous symphonies, where robots handle 90% of the body work, leaving only final checks to humans. To understand the threat, we must understand the anatomy. It starts with sensors, the eyes. LiDAR and high-resolution cameras allow them to see depth and defects better than any human eye. Then, the AI software, the brain. It processes terabytes of visual data instantly, making logic-based decisions to optimize movements and avoid collisions. Finally, the motors and actuators, the muscles. They provide the raw power to lift tons or the delicate touch to assemble a microchip. Eyes, brain, and hands, perfectly engineered. The advantages are stark. A robot never calls in sick. It never gets tired or distracted. It creates a level of consistency and safety that revolutionizes the bottom line. But the cost of this efficiency is human. Job displacement is not a theory, it is a reality. For every robot installed, distinct human roles vanish, raising ethical questions we cannot ignore. There are also technical risks. These systems are expensive and complex. A single software bug or mechanical failure can halt an entire production line, requiring highly skilled humans to fix it. It is the ultimate contrast. Humans bring creativity, empathy, and adaptability. We can solve problems that haven't been programmed. Robots bring cold, hard logic and endless endurance. In the smartphone factories of Asia, tiny robotic fingers assemble devices with microscopic precision, a task that would ruin human eyes and hands over time. In food production, high-speed deltas sort fruits and decorate cakes, ensuring hygiene and uniformity that manual labor simply cannot sustain. Welcome to Industry 4.0. The factory of the future is a fully connected ecosystem where machines talk to machines, optimizing production before a human even steps in the room. But humans are not obsolete. Our role is shifting from the doer to the designer. We will become the overseers, the programmers, and the creative force guiding these mechanical giants. Robots will not fully replace the human spirit, but they will forever change how we build our world. The automation age is here. The question is no longer if they will replace us, but how we will adapt when they do. What will you do in the age of the machine?